Hi guys, what's up? In today's video, we will discuss about the most important tips and techniques for the listening. Here I select the multiple choice question type because many students face a lot of difficulties during the multiple choice question because speaker always tell the on the possibility of the answer. That's why many students fail to select the correct answer for the question. In this particular session, I will discuss the most important strategies that will help you to increase your band in the IELTS listening. Without wasting the time, let's take a start. The first of all, I will discuss the basic of the multiple choice question. First of all, you can see this type of question in the section 3 and section 4 generally. That's why it is very difficult to select a answer. There is a 4 answer choice only and one of which is correct. You have to select the answer very carefully. Here I will discuss the pattern of the multiple choice question. Here it is an two type of question. First of all, you have to select only one option. For example, what is your surname? Option 1 Peter, option 2 Pablo, option 3 Simon. Here you have to select only one answer. The second type is that you have to select more than one correct answer. For example, what 3 items are recommended to take with you to the spa? Here the option available from A to H and you have to select the 3 answer from the one question. Let's take a start with a wonderful example. So here the type of choices, the first choice is that select the only one. For example, what is your name? First option Raj, second option Shyam and third option is Ham. You have to select the one answer precisely. And other thing is that select more than one. It means you have to select two answers. For example, by plane, second option is by train and third option by private jet, fourth option is by bicycle. Let's take a start with a wonderful example. Before going to example, you have to apply these tips. First of all, choose your answer wisely. Don't rush. For example, understand the question first. Highlight the some most important keyword in the question. So it will be very helpful to find the correct answer. Then be a good listener. Listen each and every word of a speaker. Don't rush. And the third one and the most important is that speaker always talk about each MCQ that you will have in your exam paper. Only one is correct and others are meant to confuse you. Let's take a start with a one example. Here the question is that the bar was first built in dash dash dash. Here the option is 1950, 1979 and 1990s. Here I wrote the script because I was unable to fetch the audio here. So I wrote the speech over there. First of all, over here, I read that passage for you. Here you can see a picture of the original park when it was under construction. The land was donated to the city by 1950. Matthew had cars, but the park itself wasn't developed until 1979. And you will notice here that it wasn't very big at that time, and then there was a huge growth in the 1990s, and we are still growing today. Take your time, read the question and read the script and find the correct answer. Time is up. Let's discuss the answer over. The first of all, the park was first built in, and here I highlight the keyword over there. The park itself wasn't developed until 1979. It was before 1979 the park wasn't developed, but it was a built. So correct answer is 1979. Let's take a discuss another MCQ for you. The right with a height limit are coded dash dash dash. Here the three option is available. First option is yellow, second option is blue, and the third option is black. Here this is the script and I read the script for you. If the sign for a ride is yellow, it means it's suitable for all the ages. Blue means that children younger than 40 can ride only if an adult accommodates them. And black, well, this means that you must be at least 110 centimeter tall to ride regardless of age. So here I got a clue, but I will explain in the another slide. So take the time, read the question and decide your answer. After that I will tell you the correct answer. Let's discuss the answer first. Here I got a clue, the black, because this means that you must be at least 110 centimeter tall. We can measure the height in the centimeter. So I got the answer very easily. So guys, try to predict the answer before listening the audio. So the correct answer is black. I hope you enjoyed a lot. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.